Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Mohammad Azim, an Odoo ERP function consultant and accountant. So in this video, we will see how we can create payslips based on attendance in Odoo 19. So let's jump to Odoo database and see how it works in Odoo 19. First of all, we will go to database and first of all, we will go to payroll module, and in payroll we will see some salary structure types and structure. For this we will go to configuration, and in structure types here we have three structure types: employee, worker and employee. So we will use this one, worker, based on hourly wage. So let me open this and go through from it. So a structure type is worker and country is Pakistan. Wage type is hourly wage. Make sure if we are going to calculate our payroll based on attendance and based on hourly wage, then we need to configure this wage type to hourly wage, okay, not fixed wage. So I have already configured to hourly wage, and then we have scheduled pay. It is monthly. Working hours are standard 40 hours per week, and pay structure type is worker pay. Okay, and after this we have work entry type. It is based on attendance, not on or any other thing. So let me save this. After structure types, we will go to configuration and the structures. Here we have three structures: employee, worker and Pakistani employee. So we will see worker. We will use worker structure. In worker structure we have structure name. Its type will be worker, and template we can also assign payslip name and use work deadlines. So after this we have schedule pay monthly and salary journals. You can separate your salary journal accordingly. So here are some salary rules: predefined, basic salary, taxable salary and attachment of salaries and other things. After these we have deductions and reimbursement and net salary. And after this we will go to employees module. We'll search employees module. In employees module I have already two employees, but for your understanding and clarification I will create a new employee and a new contract for that employee. So to create a new employee I will click on new, and I will put the employee name here. Let's suppose my employee is Ali, and I can also provide other information related to Ali. Let's suppose his email address is ali@gmail.com, and we can also put any phone number here. And after this we have work related information: its department, its job position. We can assign job position here, job title and his manager here. And after this our main part is payroll. So we will go to payroll. In payroll, first of all we need to provide a contract here. Let's suppose I am starting this contract from December 1st to indefinite period, and wage type is hourly wage. As I already told you about this, we will calculate our payslips based on working hours. So it will be hourly wage, and here we need to define the hourly rate. Let's suppose I'm saying that its hourly wage is 100 rupees, and wage here will be wage. And employee type, we can define employee type. Let's suppose I'm saying that it is my worker, and we can also define contract type here. It is permanent, temporary or interim. Let's suppose I am saying it is temporary. Pay category is worker. I already told you about this pay categories. And in schedule, work entry source will be attendance, and we have also other sources: working schedule and planning, but here we will use attendance, and working hours will be standard 40 hours. Okay, after this we will save this. After saving, now we have created one employee, and now we will put some attendance for this employee. In attendance module we will go back and search here attendance module, and in attendance module, this month is January 2026, but I will put some attendance in the month of December 2025 for Ali. Let's suppose I am saying that on 5th of December Ali worked some hours. On the 5th of December, let's suppose he worked like 6 hours. Apply. Now you can see worker time is 6 hours and there is no extra hours, so I will save and close. And now if I want to calculate his payroll based on these working hours, I can also create payslip. For this I will go back to my dashboard and go to payroll. In payroll, here we will go to work entries. In work entries, and it is generate by default is it current month January 2026, but I need to create for previous month. In previous month you can see for Ali we have 6 working hours worked hour. For this we will click on generate pay run. When we click on generate pay run for Ali, you can see here it is 600. Employer cost basic wage is also 600, gross wage is also 600, and net wage is also 600. If I open this, here I can also show you his name, employee record, and pay period is December 1st to December 31st, and structure is worker pay. So here is the worker days, type is attendance, description is attendance half day, and here it will show total days, and working hours are 6 and amount is 600. If I go to salary inputs, there is no salary input. Salary computation, in salary computation you can see basic wage salary is 600 and also net salary is also 600. So in this way you can create pay slips based on attendance and based on working hours in Odoo 19. And in the last, thank you so much for watching my video. If you need any support, Odoo related support, consultancy, implementation support, you can comment under this video. I will be available for your support and for your to address your question. Thank you so much.